Hi, welcome back to the final stage, completing an order to earn a point on Cssbuy. At this stage, it is assumed that you have already submitted your parcel or your order to ship, and it has currently arrived to your destination address. If it's in US, it's in Africa, precisely Ghana or Nigeria or South Africa, whatever you had it sent to, it has arrived. So now you have to complete the transaction with Cssbuy. So let's head straight to our browser. So here we are on our browser. We'll go to my international parcel and then locate the parcel that we've currently received. We have to locate the parcel that we've currently received. So for my case, I am going to mark this as received because I've already received it to my address or country of destination. So you come over to received. After add note, when you click on received, you get this dialog box in front. Confirm that you have received the parcel. Okay, which means I have received the parcel. So you can see the status have been changed to confirm. So you are eligible for whatever points you need to earn for using Cssbuy to procure or to shop from China. So that it is for completing an order. At this stage, congratulations for placing your first order with us at Cssbuy.